Tangency is now available in NotilusMechs. You can now define tangency between moving parts, making it easy to create realistic sliding mechanisms such as gas springs, dampers, and similar components. Bring motion into your Rhino model and turn static geometry into a live mechanical model with NotilusMechs. Design it, move it, test it directly in Rhino. Try NotilusMechs for free.